Hi guys, here is the jump and land with the feet going on the side. This movement is not really complicated, but it will prepare us to do some more difficult movements in the future. So the goal is really simple. The first part of this movement is to do a jump. Your hands are on the side, here, jumping. And when you will land, we want you to have your legs going on the side, okay, when you're landing. So here again, I'm jumping, and I'm arriving here with my feet on the side when I'm landing. Okay? So there is something really important when you're doing it, is to have the full extension here of your hips when you're jumping. What we don't want to see, basically, is being here. Okay? Not that. But we want the full extension, starting from here and arriving here. Full extension. And now you know how to do a jump and a land with the feet on the side.